Hello guys, this is Ali Solanki and today we'll be talking about the 7 crypto side hustles that you can pursue in order to generate income. Now all of these side hustles are something that I've already tried and tested, so you can be rest assured that you can generate a lot of income from them. Apart from that, if you want to check out my 11 sources of income, then do check out this particular video, but let's get right into this particular one. So the first side hustle that we have on the list is building exclusive communities. Now if you don't know this already, I've built Student Samaj. It was built in 2020 and it was just a Telegram group back then. But after we started growing to over 1000 members, I started to realize that Telegram wouldn't just be enough for that. So we shifted over to Discord as well. So we are right now on both of these platforms. So of course you can join in by clicking the link in the description box below or even the pinned comment down below. So that was something that I started and I had no intentions of monetizing it, but right now after talking to a lot of people in the crypto space, they've helped me in learning about the power of such communities. You can launch products which the community wants to buy and basically sell it to them as well. For now I've realized that most of my community members, they wanted some exclusive courses for themselves, for example how to earn money through crypto or even just basic learnings about cryptocurrencies. These are some of the things that I wanted to make courses on, and they are soon going to be out there, but that is how you can monetize that. Other two methods that I think are really great and have been implemented by other communities is, if you want to get in on those certain communities, you need to buy their NFTs first, or if you want to get some privileges in that Discord group, then you need to have their specific NFTs. So that is one way of monetizing it. The third way, however, is through a subscription model. Now you can take a monthly fee from the community members in order to be a part of this exclusive group. Even on YouTube, if you see, there's this join button, and that is something similar to that as well. Now just like on YouTube, you can provide them with certain exclusive content or certain exclusive information that will help them maybe 10x their money or even get in early on certain projects. The second thing is being a crypto advisor. Now in order to become an advisor, you first need to understand the crypto market yourself. In order to do that, you can check out these news applications which help you stay updated with the current trends in the crypto space. Apart from that, it is also really important to build connections, because crypto space currently is all about communities, is all about connections. So get in on Twitter spaces and start talking to people, start interacting with them and start tweeting. So that is one thing that you need to do. But the major problem that I've seen people face is they don't get in clients. So how do you do that? That is through building a personal brand. People should know that you are a person, or you are the best person for getting advice on cryptocurrency or crypto related things. So say for example, right now I'm building a personal brand wherein I am a person who's getting into the crypto space, or as a person who's really good in the social media space as well. So that is something that I'm mastering, and that is something that I'm putting forward as a personal brand as well. So you can do that. Instead of doing that on YouTube, you can do that on Twitter as well. Actually, Twitter is the place for all the crypto people. So if you're getting into the crypto space, build a proper Twitter profile. Apart from that, the third crypto side hustle that we have over here is crypto content writer. Now in order to be a content writer, you need to study the crypto market not only on the surface level. You just don't have to be updated with the upcoming projects, but also understand what those projects are all about and how they function. Apart from that, you also need to start writing blogs. So in order to understand how to write blogs, you can check out this particular video. But once you do that, you need to form a community. As I said, crypto space is all about communities. So you need to form a community by providing them with an option to enter their email addresses. This is a widely used way in order to build a weekly newsletter and send them out to your exclusive members. So whoever has put in their email addresses, they'll be getting a weekly newsletter from you directly in their inbox. So that is something that you can do. Once you have a decent audience base and once you have started writing blogs that have gotten traction, you can tell people that you're willing to write content pieces for promising crypto projects, and that too completely completely for free. So this way you will start having a portfolio for yourself, and people will start to recognize you as the best person in order to get content pieces written, especially in the crypto space. So that is something that you can do. The fourth crypto side hustle that I want to recommend to you is being a developer. Now of course this is not for everyone, and people who don't want to get into the technical space, but for people who want to get in on blockchain development, you can check this particular video out, in which I've given a complete roadmap of how you can start from zero, knowing nothing, to being a blockchain developer. Now once you've done that, once you have become a blockchain developer, or once you have the knowledge, the technical skills in the crypto space, you can then find various part-time jobs, part-time crypto jobs through these websites. So of course this is the traditional route. People go on these websites, they apply for jobs, they have their own CV, and that's how they land their jobs. But if you don't want to do that, you can also build your own personal brand. This is something that I'm pursuing. So instead of reaching out to clients, the clients reach out to my inbox. So that is an advantage that you will get if you build your own personal brand. The fifth side hustle that we have on the list is consultations. Now of course the consultations are divided into two major parts. One is the technical consultations for crypto space, and the second is growth consultations. So if you see, for any crypto project, there are two things that are really important. First is the crypto product. So the product that they're building, the project that they're building, that is really important, and that is where the technical consultations will come into play. The second is growing that product and scaling it and letting users know about it, basically marketing it. So you can tackle both of these things by being in the crypto space. Of course, if you're someone who's a technical guy, you can get in on consulting for technical projects. But if you want to get in on the growth side, then you need to be a part of various projects. You need to interact with the community, build a personal brand just like I'm doing over here, and help the people who want to grow their projects, who want to market their projects to other people, and build connections for them as well. So that is something that you can do. So the sixth side hustle that we have on the list is investing firm. Now this is something that you see almost every single day in the traditional markets. If you go in the stock market and you want to invest in a bunch of stocks, you can do that through mutual funds, or you can do that through other investment firms as well, who take care of your entire investment portfolio and help you manage the same. But I've never seen something similar in the crypto space. If you have, then do let me know in the comment section. But this is something that you can build a multi-million-dollar business out of. Here, in order to start, you first need to prove yourself and generate some profits. Once you do this, you can then go on to asking your friends or your family members for money to pool in, and whenever you earn profits, you can take commissions on top of that, or whenever they face loss, you can basically cover for them, so they don't have to take any kind of risk, whereas you're giving them profits on top of the money that they have invested with you. Once this keeps on growing, you will get in a lot of people in your investment firm, and you can basically hire people, and this is just something that can grow out of proportions because there is a huge demand for this. The seventh side hustle that you can pursue is building a crypto growth firm. Now, if you build the best product in the world but don't know how to market it properly, then it basically becomes useless. So the importance of marketing in the crypto space is really high. Now, if you see projects like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, they didn't have any kind of product with them, but still they managed to get in a lot of money just by selling on the idea of the meme. So the importance of marketing, basically growing your cryptocurrency, is well established in the crypto space. So you can leverage this skill, learn about it, and learn about how these projects started from scratch, and help other crypto projects to grow as well. Now, in order to do that, you need to learn their growth strategies. You need to understand the psychology of the people in the crypto space and what works, what doesn't work. You would also need to build a lot of connections for that. Now, as I said, connections and community are two of the most important things when it comes to crypto. Now, once you do this, once you have a couple of projects under your belt, you can then expand this business by hiring other people and letting them grow on these crypto projects, while you can automate the business and basically manage it all. If you want to know about my 11 sources of income, then do check out this particular video in which I've talked about the same.